Now, here's how you can play live games on the iPad. So there are some live games which do exist. Like obviously you can get some apps on the App Store and Apple Arcade which can connect you with other people. I don't know, plenty of multiplayer games are available. But if you are looking for something a little bit more advanced, well, there is a way to access some really professional games, right? For example, you can go ahead and start using the Xbox Cloud games, right? Which is basically a platform for online gaming, right? So you can just look inside of there. It's still in the beta currently, but you can go ahead and open it up, load it up like that, and just start playing these like live games on the iPad, right? So if that's the thing which you have in mind, you can just click on get ready to play. Make sure you add it to the home screen like that, because you technically just download it as a web app on your iPad, right? So you can click on the share button and add it to the home screen, right? So you can just click there, click on more, and you can add it as the icon. So it's basically how it all works, and you can just do that and it will behave like in a separate application, and you can just click there and you can just start playing it, right? So it's kind of how it works. It's still in a beta, but I'm just showing you the possible options which you might be thinking about. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tips and guides like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.